Oh my god, not our city too. Where we are.
The tornado even knocked down the offices.
How will we eat and drink?
What if I take you to McDonald's to cheer you guys up?
Oh yay. I love McDonald's. Can we go there right now?
Oh yay, can we go to McDonald's right now?
Sure, but the tornado sucked up our car, so we can't drive there.
Boris, can you check Google Maps and tell us which is the closest McDonald's to us?
The closest McDonald's is 45 minutes away to walk there.
Oh, right. Okay, Caillou and Rosie, we're walking to McDonald's.
Yeah.
Okay kids, what do you want to eat?
I want a Happy Meal so badly. Yeah.
And Caillou, what do you want to eat?
8 Big Mac and a strawberry ice cream.
Hey Doris, is it okay if I pay for the food?
Sure.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. My name is Josh. How may I help you?
Can I ask you something real quick?
Sure.
Have you heard of the tornado last night?
Well, yes, it's been awful. Lots of people have been injured, and all the houses are damaged, and towers collapsed. But this McDonald's was lucky and didn't get hit.
Oh my god, that is awful.
Do you want to order something?
Yes, can I order a Happy Meal, a Big Mac and a strawberry ice cream?
Unfortunately, the strawberry ice cream is out of stock. Do you want to order a vanilla ice cream instead?
Caillou, the strawberry ice cream is out of stock. Do you want to have a vanilla ice cream?
Are you serious? I want the strawberry ice cream right now.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Oh my god, it hurts so badly.
Oh, Caillou, how dare you hit your father like that? When we leave McDonald's you will be grounded, and we'll take away your phone. I'm terribly sorry on what happened. He's very naughty. We will just take the Happy Meal for Rosie.
The total cost of the Happy Meal is $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. The Happy Meal will be ready in 5 minutes.
I'm going to call the ambulance for Boris. Hello, is this the ambulance? Caillou hit my husband at a McDonald's. Yes, please send an ambulance to our location. Thank you.